Against there.
We call it.
Ready and action.
That was it. Huh.
Because you know where to look anyway, so
Yeah.
we can have them here so they can watch your
Basically
performance.
split the lens, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they have the cameras will be standing there, so you'll have the whole floor to, you know, it's just. Perfect. Great. He was like, there was no real, like, you know.
Thank God you didn't use the news, so it was okay. I made the new reading.
I mean, a bottle. I've broken me bottle.
Ready and action. MC. Oh, where is the dash?
Do you think that robbing the bank is easy? You gaggle of gutless seals are the ones guilty of putting me in this dreadful pickle in the first place. Now, line up and offer me your service.
You want us to pay you?
Do you have a problem with those things on the side of your head? Am I not the captain of this ship? The nail.
Where's the treasure? All of us are starving. Yesterday we eat a rat.
Sir, look at your charts. We're between three distant points of land with perfect symmetry to the center. It's a triangle. Captain, you're sailing us into the Devil's Triangle. Sir, with all due respect, I've spent my life studying the myths of the sea. I know every legend and every curse. And I know ships that sail into the triangle do not necessarily sail out.
Sorry, sir. This one is clearly disturbed.
Find the man, Captain Jack Sparrow.
My job is to protect this island and these waters. And your sleeves have been ripped. The mark of treason.
We were attacked by the dead. I tried to warn them, sir.
You're a coward who ran away from battle. That is how you die.
Please leave me, sister.
I risked my life to come here to see if the runes is it true? You've been speaking with the trident.
Do I?
Tell me why you seek the trident.
My job is to protect this island and these waters. And your sleeves have been ripped. The mark of treason.
We were attacked by the dead, sir. I tried to warn them.
And you're a coward who ran from battle. That's how you are.
Speak!
It's your ships, sir.
They're being attacked by an enemy that takes no riches.
Kills without provocation.
An army that fires no weapon.
My ships, not possible.
3 have already been sunk, sir. The Jaunty Lark.
The Golden Pheasant.
The Rising Phoenix.
How's that for slide?
I've been expecting you, Captain. Perhaps you'd like some tea?
I shall pass. Thank you kindly.
You wish to know who destroys your ships?
Nameless blackguard that's been burning my fleet.
The price of crossing my door is blood, Captain.
Oh, that might explain why you're not so busy.
Get Joachim going on the back and you go on the front.
And that's where they want it. They kind of.
Okay, set. And action.
It's hard to listen if the mind doesn't go.
And 3, 2, 1, hit!
Gentlemen, these 2 prisoners will lead us to the trident.
Prisoners? I convinced your men to save you. Paid them with my own silver. We had a deal.
Your mother's bloomers.
6 is my final offer.
Ready? 3, 2, 1,
Because we're at a distance and, you know, with the sword and all, that's really cool.
Okay.
So also when you get angry, you can
Okay.
Yeah. Bump it
play
up.
with that.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
ready, and action!
Where is she? Where is she?
What are you doing?
Looking for my father, even though I know he's not there.
Just because you can't see something doesn't mean it's not there.
Like the map.
I have to find it. It's the only thing that links me to who I am, who my father was.
So we've both spent our lives searching for our fathers. What are you doing?
Preparing to swim.
Swim.
Whatever's on that boat is after Jack, and Jack is on this boat, so I'm going to swim for it.
How dare you do exactly what I would do if I were you?
Queen, stop that.
No, don't stop that.
This has gone far enough.
It has not. Don't listen to him, you know. Just keep carrying on. Go on, go on. Why? She was almost finished. You ruined it. You've ruined it.
Okay, we're set, ready, and action.
Help me.
Help her, Lee. Guys, can we rotate a little clockwise? Ready, and action.
Help me! Help!
Karina!
Henry, help me!
Help her!
I can do something.
Go on.
And action.
Hello.
Okay, one more time.
Set, and action.
Stay in more. Stay in more. Stay in more.
You should wait for what you did to me.
I really have no time to chat because me Max has run away. So.
I will be waiting for you.
Well, not the background.
You're leaving, that's it.
I love you, my brother.
I love you. Let me give you a hug.
I love you, my brother.
See you soon.
My love to little Penelope and the babies and
And also, when you say she was a fine ship, yes, take it a bit more in before you say your, like, think about it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's enough for now. So let's play the downbeat at 29, I think.